Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
If you have additional brush sets you have purchased from a third-party source, you can load them into your brush library for easy access. To do this, click the Brush Preset Picker pop-up menu, and then click the Brush Options button in the upper right corner of the pop-up menu that appears to show a drop-down menu of choices. Choose the Load Brushes command from the drop-down menu to open a Load dialog box. Use the dialog box to navigate to the brush set, which has a .abr extension, and select the brush set by clicking the brush set icon. Then click the Load button in the dialog box to load the selected brush set. After doing that, the selected brush set will then be accessible within the Brush Preset Picker.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.